So here's how you can upload a new build for Expo and publish that build onto TestFlight, right? Or Apple Store. So what you want to do is you want to do this command: Expo build platform iOS profile production, right? But before you do this, you also want to increment this build number, right? So on your app.json file on your React Native project, you want to increment this by 1. So let's say before, if it's, let's say right now it's 2.01, you want to increment this to 2.02. So now it's incremented by 1. So now it automatically knows this is a new build, right? And this version number here too will be posted on your Apple Store. So you'll see that as well. You don't need to increment this. You can just leave that as is. And you want to click on this, right? So I've already done this. I'm not going to do it again. Then this is how it's going to look like though when you do it, right? So after you've clicked that, it's going to prompt you to ask to sign into your Apple ID, which is my email. It's going to go through all these queries, and once the build is done, you'll see something here called build details, right? So you click this, open it. Here are the build details, right? Everything is under here, build details, right? Whoop, sorry. And after you do that, you want to, now all this, so let me clarify. All this does is just it makes sure that the build is done, right? But it doesn't actually publish that build to the Apple Store. So what you want to do is, you want to do this command right here. What was it? EAS submit right here. EAS submit platform iOS, the latest build, not this. You don't need all this. You don't need all this. All you need is this. EAS submit platform iOS.latest. You submit this, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions, like your Apple ID, API key, and stuff like that. Once you finish that, you want to go to developer.apple right here. Go to your account. Go to your apps. Go to the app that you're working on. Go to TestFlight. And we're working with the version 1.00, right? So here that you saw, we're working with version 1.00. Click this, and you should see your builds under this. So this is the latest build that I have, 1.05. That's the build I'm doing right now, my latest one. And you should see it under here. All the builds that are ready should be under here. And if you've just done it, you should wait like 5 to 10 minutes for it to show up. It does take a little bit of time. Hope this helps anybody. Take it easy. Peace.